Hey everyone! Welcome back to Sky Touching Art, where we mix creativity, a pinch of madness, and way too much coffee. Today, we're painting this adorable lighthouse scene on a circular canvas. Because who said paintings have to be square? Firstly, make a light outline sketch with a soft pencil, and keep it simple. Now for the sky. We want a bright, sunny vibe. Not oops, it's a thunderstorm vibes. Blend your blues and whites like you're making the perfect milkshake. Don't drink it, please. Now let's fluff up some clouds. Take the white color and make some random clouds over the sky with soft strokes. Think cotton candy, but without the sticky mess. Now let's give our lighthouse a strong foundation, starting with the ground. I first blocked the base area with a dark green color. Art tip: layer your colors, dark, medium, and light. It's like dressing up. You need a good base before the fancy accessories. Next, time for some earthy vibes, painting the rocky ground area with brown, because even paradise needs a bit of dirt under its fingernails. Adding mud first, beauty later. And now the ocean. Splash some blue onto the horizon. Soft waves, bright vibes. Let's give that cute little hut some love. I'm painting its rooftop because even tiny houses deserve stylish makeovers. All right, lighthouse time. Fill the whole tower with white, nice, clean, and bright. Add a bold splash of red to the lighthouse. We want it to be seen from miles away, or at least from across the room. Top it off with some sunny yellow, making it look cheerful, proud, and slightly like it belongs on a cereal box. Time for some magical touches. Using a white gel pen, I'm adding clean, crisp lines, like giving the lighthouse a fresh haircut. Grabbing a pencil now, refining the lighthouse's structure. A little shadow here and there, because without darkness, there's no drama. And we love some good artistic drama. And sketching those tiny windows. They're so small, even a mouse would have trouble getting in. Next up, polishing the hut a little more, making it cozy enough that you almost want to move in, minus the seagulls. Time to grow a mini forest. Starting with a yellow highlight first, then blending it into the light green to make the trees look alive and sunny.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals.
Let's work more on that grass. Painting over the earlier dark green base with light green for more depth and texture. Art tip: layer dark colors first, then pop highlights on top for that juicy 3D look. Rocks incoming. First, map out the shadowy areas with black, dramatic and moody. I blocked out the shadow areas first with a deep black color. Basically, painting the parts where sunlight is shy. Then, build the rock shapes with gray. Finally, sprinkle some crisp white highlights to give those stones some serious superstar energy. Adding a bit more refinement to the rocks, because even rocks deserve a little spa day. add more final touches to the grass, making sure it's bright, fresh, and ready for a magazine photo shoot.
Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild.
And now, the magic moment, using yellow paint to brighten the grass patches even more. It's like giving the ground its own golden hour. Lastly, sprinkle some white dots and little flowers, making the whole scene feel lively, magical, and just a little bit dreamy. Hope you enjoyed painting this cozy lighthouse with me. If your lighthouse ended up looking like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, congratulations, you've invented a new tourist attraction. And remember, if your lighthouse ends up a little wobbly, congratulations, you've just made the world's first dancing lighthouse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. What tiny scene should we paint next?